Why don't photons need to accelerate, yet fly at 300,000 kilometers per second? Where does its energy come from? If it is not absorbed, will light keep traveling forever? In our world, everything that moves must be pushed by something. Cars burn fuel. Rockets need propellant. You need food to run. So, why are photons born at the cosmic speed limit? They have no fuel tank, no engine. Yet they've been flying for 13.8 billion years without stopping.
Right, but why?
Because photons need no power at all, and they never really fly. It's not that they're powerful. You've just been fooled your whole life by a world with mass. One terrifying property of photons: they have no rest mass. Something that travels 300,000 km per second is zero rest mass. This is not mysticism. It's a law of physics. Classical mechanics FMA. First equals mass times acceleration. This rule simply does not apply to photons. The formula isn't wrong. You just can't measure temperature with a scale, or apply the logic of pushing a box to something massless. If a photon has no mass, it has no inertia. Without inertia, no force is needed to keep it moving, or to start it moving.
No mass, so it can reach light speed out of nowhere? Then how does it start moving in the first place?
It does not go from rest to light speed. It is born at light speed, with no middle stage. No acceleration from 0 to 300,000, because for massless particles, light speed is not the fastest speed. It is the only speed. It cannot slow down, stop, or take detours. It can only move at light speed. This is not a privilege. It's the only option physics gives it. You find it amazing because you have mass. At the moment of the Big Bang, the entire universe was pure energy. Everything raced at the ultimate speed. Then the Higgs Field cooled down like syrup thickening. Most particles stuck to it, gained mass, and have their speed locked away. The flesh on your hands, the chair you sit on, the air you breathe. All are energy trapped by mass. Moving takes effort not because you get tired, but because inertia resists change. Mass is the break the universe gave you. But photons do not interact with the Higgs field. They are not stuck, not slowed down, not locked. They preserve the universe's most original state, born at light speed, forever constant.
Will light get tired from flying forever? Will it stop?
As long as it is not absorbed by atoms, light will travel forever, never slowing down, never stopping. The light from the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago is still traveling today. It has become the cosmic microwave background radiation. No fuel, no engine. Yet it crosses the entire universe, because nothing can slow it down. No mass means no resistance. No inertia means no tendency to stop. But light does age, it just doesn't slow down. The longer it travels, the more its wavelength stretches as the universe expands. Its energy grows weaker. Born as powerful gamma rays, now faint microwaves. Light speed remains 300,000, that's just old.
But I clearly see light travel from the sun to the Earth. An 8-minute journey. How can it not be moving?
Here's the most blowing part. From a photon's perspective, it never flies at all. Distance equals 0. Time equals 0. In special relativity, proper time equals the space-time interval. The world line of a photon has a space-time interval of exactly 0. From the sun to the Earth, from the galaxy to the edge of the universe. For a photon, departure is arrival. Birth is destruction. You think it traveled for 8 minutes, 13.8 billion years. That's your time, your distance, your frame of reference. Photons have no sense of time. They carry no clock. 1 second for them is eternity, and also 0. It's like dreaming. You don't need a plane from Beijing to New York. A thought arrives instantly. It's not that the thought is fast. The rules of distance just don't apply in dreams. A photon's world is a dimension where distance is 0 and time is 0.
So, where does its power really come from? I still can wrap my head around it.
The question, where does its power come from, is wrong in itself. Power is for things that have mass inertia and need to change their state of motion. Photons have no mass, no inertia. Their state of motion never needs to change. They don't need to be pushed, pulled, or sustained. They are not trying to reach light speed. They can only exist at light speed. You think they're racing wildly because you are slow and heavy. You are trapped in a low-speed world.
If light is never absorbed, can it really fly forever?
Absolutely. The oldest photons in the universe, born at the Big Bang, still travel at light speed with no decay. No power is consumed, because they need to consume nothing. They burn no energy. They wear themselves out not at all. As long as they are not absorbed by electrons and atoms, they can fly until the end of the universe. We can even say light is not moving. It simply exists in four-dimensional space-time. It is a straight line with our length.
What would happen if I became light?
You would understand everything in an instant. You would have no time, no distance, no before or after, no past or future. The edge of the galaxy and your feet would be the same point. The beginning and end of the universe would be the same moment. You wouldn't need to fly, because you're going nowhere. You wouldn't need power, because you never move. We think light travels alone for billions of years, but mathematics says the length of that journey is zero. It's not that light is lazy. Your whole understanding of moving comes from the fact that you have mass. You think time is passing, but you are the one passing. You think light is rushing, but it never left its starting point. Next time you see sunlight, don't think it traveled 150 million kilometers to reach you. If you like this video, could you give me a like and don't forget subscribe the channel.